OMG. Folks just produced $250 and it's only the first of the day. In a few hours, you'll have yet another $250 in your wallet. Payment notifications continue to arrive in time, something which I and many other people who understand how to make money online have encountered. According to what I've heard, just a few people are aware of this method. But because you are a committed subscriber, I'll share it with you so you can achieve the success and lifestyle you truly deserve. This method will not cost you anything because it is completely free. To earn or perform this work, all you need is a mobile phone or a computer with internet access. We'll have to use stuff associated to Microsoft Word. This is an unordinary strategy, but trust me, it's incredibly simple, even for newbies with no prior knowledge and experience or special skills. Pay close attention now because this is quite extensive. However, it is not difficult at all. This is something that will help your financial situation. But first, welcome to the Make Money Online channel, where we will teach you the most recent making money online ideas, guides, and techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and press the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. But before doing anything else, please visit this website. This website contains a large number of online jobs that will allow you to work from home and make loads of money, and I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word to get paid every day right now. Look at this page for work from home opportunities online. Registration is also completely free and there is no cost to get started. This opportunity is available to anyone in the world. You will be paid daily through the method of your choice. There are a variety of online tasks you can do to earn money as shown below. Typing, proofreading, and paid surveys are 3 examples of online jobs. All you have to do now is to scroll down to find graphic design, PowerPoint presentations, spreadsheet jobs, and a multitude of other opportunities to earn money. In this video, I'll present to you how to save an amount of time and the best way to make money on this website by putting all your effort into it. It is now time to begin proofreading. It is indicated here that the compensation ranges from $5 to $10 for each page of the document. All that remains is to double-check spelling and grammar errors. Do you consider yourself to have a poor command of the English language? Well, don't worry, because there's nothing to worry about. You're not required to speak with anyone, and this position requires no prior experience. I'll show you an actual job I'm currently working on in a moment. This section is split over 2 pages, so they'll pay you $10 per page for this 2-page paper, bringing the total to $20. This procedure can be repeated as needed. If you click on this link, you'll be directed to a page where you can apply for jobs as a virtual online proofreader. Don't be frightened, it's much easier than you think. I'll show you some free tools at the end of this video that you can use to automate your work. Make sure you stay long enough to figure it out. This is one of my favorite sites because they pay very competitive rates in comparison to other websites that perform the same type of work. At $10 per page, it's a steal. Plus, the flexible working hours is advantageous. You can work as much or as little as you want, and you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. All you need is an internet connection and a smartphone or computer. Now I'll show you how to make a completely free account. However, the registration process is a little bit complicated, so make sure you don't make any mistakes. You can see the application procedure by scrolling down here, and it is completely free to submit. All you need is to click the apply button to become an online proofreader. This will redirect you to this page. You can see all the steps required to submit a job application by clicking here. Continue reading by scrolling down. If you click on this link right now, you will be redirected to this website. The submission guidelines are available here, and if you scroll down further, you'll see a button that says Advance to Application. Simply click the Apply Now button and follow the instructions to be directed to the HireSign.com application form. This is where things can get a little tricky. Please feel free to pause and rewatch this video to ensure you don't miss anything important. If you look right here, you can see this application form. It's critical to understand that you'll be asked a series of questions to which you must correctly respond to. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so that you can be accepted and start earning money. Over here, they're asking for your first and last name, age, and email address. They will then ask you for your password and confirm it. The following section is very important for choosing your notice period. Make your decision as soon as possible because you'll be chosen within 24 hours if you do not. Once that occurs, you can immediately begin working on the jobs listed here and begin earning money. So the petition you're looking for is the following query. A proofreading job is a good choice because it pays well and requires the use of Microsoft Word. It's now time to pick a country. Simply choose your home country. Remember that this is available from anywhere on the planet. Finally, choose freelancer as your current employment status. This is critical because the chances of becoming a freelancer are significantly higher than the chances of becoming an employee to others. In this brief self-introduction, let me now demonstrate how to write properly. Something along these lines might be a good starting point. Greetings, my name is Kyra. I'm very interested in applying for this proofreading position at HireSign, and I'm also open to other job opportunities. When you're finished, simply click on this box and that's all there is to it. You should be accepted and be able to work within 24 hours of joining hiresar.com. You can begin receiving files to work on and earn money online. This Microsoft Word document contains 2 pages in our sample. $20 will be paid. As a result, you'll be able to complete 10 assignments in under 1 hour. If you keep going at this rate, that's $200 for an hour's worth of work. Examine what's going on here. As you can see, you receive a Microsoft Word document with several grammatical errors and spelling errors. However, as you can see from the colored underlines on several words and phrases, Microsoft Word will automatically detect them. You can right-click and instantaneously correct them with a single button. That's the end of it. All you have to do now is read the entire document and look for colored underlines. Then right-click on the errors to have them auto-corrected, which you can do as many times as you want. Let me now show you another piece of software that can create anything you require. To make this work much easier, go to google.com and search for Reverse Speller, a spelling checker. Simply copy and paste the content from the document to check grammatical and spelling errors. Enter whatever you're working on into this column. Then double-check everything with this yellow button. All of this is possible with a single mouse click. What a simple concept that can be repeated over and over. Go back to the document, select the text, and use Reverse Speller to double-check it. Select the text and use Reverse Speller to double-check it. That concludes our discussion of grammar and spelling. And that's it. If you like similar content like this, check out my other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.